Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Drive files from one account to another. Maybe you're changing jobs, switching schools, or just want to move files between your personal and work accounts. This method is simple and works perfectly. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com and make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has the files you want to transfer. Once you're inside your drive, select the file or folder you want to move. You can do this by clicking on it once or holding down Control on your keyboard to select multiple items at once. Next, right-click on one of the selected files and choose Share. A window will pop up. Now, in the box that says Add People or Groups, type in the email address of the other Google account you want to move the files to. Then, under Permissions, choose Editor. This allows your second account full access to edit and make copies of the files. After that, click Send. Now, open a new tab and sign in to your second Google account, the one you just shared the files with. Go back to Google Drive, and on the left side, click on Shared with Me. You'll see all the files that were shared from your first account. To make sure you fully own them, right-click on each file or folder, then click Make a Copy. The copies you create will automatically be saved under My Drive in your new account. From there, you can move them into folders, rename them, or organize them however you like. After confirming everything is safely copied, you can go back to your old account and remove sharing access if you want to keep things private. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Google Drive files to another account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next one.